rail rock slope going down into the depths. At the bottom. Well, we got some infrastructure here. Looks like an underground workshop. It's the most epic mine car repair shop I've ever seen. Goes down to a collapse. And these workings go up over the tunnel. Oh yeah, part of a coal cart, bro.
It's crazy, I think.
Yeah. Whoa, that is... Somebody needs to push this timber back up.
There is a coal chute right there, though. That might be the rock return.
Yeah.
See it?
Rail rock slope going down into the depths.
Oh no, I didn't see that.
Oh, actually, that's a very small pinch up there. So you'd have... I thought you could, like, walk right up to it. That's only like a 2-foot clearance.
Yeah, I bet you that's that vein up there, dude. Hell yeah. At the bottom. Watch your head.
Oh, damn. Cut it right off.
Well, we got some infrastructure here. Dude.
Got a weird feeling how everything sits slanted. Like you're about to be the upside down.
Get out of here. Dude. It's the most epic mine car repair shop I've ever seen.
I'm in awe right now.
How tall are those ceilings? 25 feet? Look at the light up there still. Oh, that's crazy.
I'm speechless.
Look at the workbench over there. Someone nicely lined up all those shovel heads.
Bunch of tools. I think I'm gonna walk down through the pit here and then back up that way.
Yeah.
Greasy gears. So the mine cars would roll right in here. Then they'd hook them up, and this would be the work pit. Oh man, dude. Looks like an underground workshop. For as far as I could see. There's an old sink. Justin, there's an old sink.
We lost him already.
Did we?
Alright.
It just goes with infrastructure forever. Room after room, doors.
This is beautiful.
It's nuts.
I guarantee you that door was pretty secure and they had it locked up tight at the end of their shift. So nothing went missing.
Yeah.
Look over here, all the stuff they put back in these shelves. It's crazy.
There's an old socket.
Oh, 1 second. Let me take a picture of that.
Another pick. Go ahead. Shelves built to last. Yeah, down to another room. Incredible. What the hell was that?
I don't know what that room is for.
Deep underground. Wow. Huge collapse. Get out of here. You gotta be kidding me. Look at these gates.
Imagine if it's still closed.
That'd be so cool looking.
You have the chain hanging there. Well, actually kind of swings a little bit, but that's in the way.
Yeah. Nice little concrete tunnel with some rail. Too bad the concrete didn't go further.
Looks like a subway down here, doesn't it?
It does. We got a left-hand turn, which is really promising. That is cool.
Isn't it? The timber's right in the middle.
Yeah. Big cracks in the
Wow.
walls.
Let me get some shots of that.
Oof.
Oh,
Sorry. Dude, I think it's almost like more timbers than rock.
he was right. Look.
Oh, up.
I think. Oh, dude. You can see the top of the roof up here, but can you fit? Right above the tunnel. So that's why that tunnel is concrete beneath us, because it
Yeah.
has to be nice and secure for whatever this is about.
Damn.
When have you ever seen that before?
Never. When am I ever going to see it again? That is wicked, dude. Guarantee you this goes toward the tunnel. Got rail, dude, dual rail too. It was
Yep.
big. Oh man.
My hat would have been so epic.
No end in sight. Timbers off in the far distance.
Can't see shit.
Yeah, unfortunately that led to a monster collapse. The air's not moving down here really much.
Oh, that's the hospital?
Still got the original paint. Look how big that thing is. Sweet. Oh man. Oh, cool. Yeah, this is the biggest hospital I've ever seen.
Even for a mine, this is very roomy.
Probably like the wash area.
Yeah, doesn't it look like it?
Bars on the windows.
Yeah, if you had medicine down here and stuff, you know, you couldn't risk some Yahoo crawling through there to steal it, right?
Yeah, and rock blasting through, right? Hitting it.
Trying to steal the morphine or whatever they got down here. So there would have been the medical bed right around here.
Yeah.
Probably in this corner, I guess.
Maybe a couple of them.
Maybe two, yeah.
They got timbers in here supporting the roof.
And we got another room that I can't really figure out what it is.
Up ahead. Oof. Like the wettest part of mine.
Yeah. Great not to have to wear mufflers. It had an awfully large door on here, right? So it doesn't strike me as an office. Had a big working table here.
This is getting water down here.
Strikes me more as some kind of repair room, don't you think?
Yeah. Got a window over there. Something to do with that repair shop.
I got a pot right here.
Lunchroom?
What are they potting?
I mean, that sounds nice, you know, but I just can't.
Pantry.
I can't see them giving a fuck, dude,
Pantry.
about giving them any kind of amenities like that.
What's down this way? Oh.
Just a crawl. Look.
You're right. I can die in peace now.
You saw it. You did it.
So the roof came down on top of the coal carts. say goodbye to one of the greatest locations ever.